Good night, teddy bear.
What is that sound? Oh no! The thunder is so loud! I feel really scared! Open! Open now! Why won't this door open? Oh. The power is off! I'm all alone! My toys look strange! Is that a monster? Go away! Please go away!
Peter? Is that you? Why are you crying?
Don't worry, Peter. I'm here with you. Mom! Please come!
I hear them. I must check on Peter and Anna. Peter? Anna? Are you okay? Mommy is here.
Mom! We need you! My brave children. I'm sorry I came late. There was a monster under my bed!
Let's check together. There are no real monsters.
See? Nothing is here.
Look, this little spider is very brave, just like you.
Now the shadow looks cute, doesn't it?
I'm not scared anymore.
Hey, that's just my shirt.
You are very brave. I'm so proud of you.
The lights are back!
Here, you can use this when you feel scared.
I have the power of light now!
We can share it together.
Time to sleep now.
Good morning, Teddy. No monsters today. The sun is so bright, Peter.
Good morning, my brave ones. Who's ready for some cereal?
Look! The blue sky is back. I'm a storm hero now, Mom.
Come on, Peter. Let's go outside.
Can we play with the big blocks today? Look at the floor, it's glowing! This is amazing! I want to explore.
It's gonna be a beautiful day today.
Boom! It fell down like thunder. Mom, look! The garden is so shiny today. Look! The flowers are drinking the rain. Look at him go. He's not scared of the wind either. Peter, look! The sky fell down into the grass.
Come here, you two. My brave storm chasers.
She has a tiny house inside the flower.
Who wants to help Mommy find more brave things?
My brave explorers are back!
It was a wonderful day, but now it's time to sleep again.
I'm a big boy hero tonight, Teddy.
Sleep well, my brave little heroes.
Good night, Peter. We did it. Peter and Anna